All right, guys, I am so excited for this episode because I'm going to be sharing with you how to sell your digital products, your digital offers, courses, coaching programs predictably, consistently every single month. I'm going to share a strategy that personally in my business has generated millions in sales and revenue. The best part is that once you set this up once, it runs on autopilot. I'm talking about my monthly coupon campaign that I run towards my digital offers every month. This literally creates a buying frenzy every single month, and I'm sure we all can agree when that happens, business can be really fun. In this episode, I am going to break down exactly step by step how I do this. And if you want to plug into my done for you templates and automations that make this all possible, I'm going to share how you can do that too. So I think we can all agree that when you have something that you're selling, posting and just hoping that somebody is going to buy from the post that you're doing without having a strategic plan in place is a total waste of time, and it's very frustrating because it does not create the results that you're looking for. You need a system that creates urgency, authentically drives action, and turns that action into predictable revenue. If we're meeting each other for the very first time, nice to meet you. My name's Tanya Aliza. Over the last few years, I have generated over $12 million in product sales of my own, my courses, my coaching programs, my digital offers, and I have taught now over 35,000 students to date how to sell online. Now, this is one of my many strategies that works really well in my business. And every single week I come out on the show, I share with you what's working in my business in hopes that it helps you in yours. If you're an entrepreneur or a serious content creator, consider subscribing because I put out a brand new episode each week that will hopefully help you in your business. Now, for me, this is a 3-day promotion that happens monthly. And once you put in the work to set this up, you can literally push go every single time you want to run this campaign. So my entire framework that I'm going to share here in this episode is going to be everything from the lead up to the coupon campaign, the discount structure, the emails, the social media posts, everything. And if you're serious about making those consistent sales in your business, I hope you love this episode. Now, something that we have to remember is that successful businesses don't run on hope. They don't pray that sales are going to happen. They actually have strategic strategies in place. Now, this strategy is not just randomly discounting your products. That is not what this is about. This is a strategic diminishing coupon value campaign. So you're not just putting out a $50 off coupon or whatever the case might be and saying, this is what it is for 3 days, come and get it. You're strategically putting together a diminishing coupon code. The very first day that the coupon code goes out, the biggest discount happens. The last day, the lowest discount happens. And I'll share with you exactly how this works. So on day 1, this is the day that you release the biggest discount of your coupon campaign. So let's say your digital offer or service or really whatever it is that you're selling typically sells for $197. Well, during the first day, you might have the price of the product go down to $97. You essentially give a 50% discount coupon that they can use. Day 1 is going to be the biggest value that they get discounted off of the price of your product. This actually creates a flood of buyers right out the gate. Now, in the past, before knowing how to strategically do this, I didn't know this and I just would put on a sale or I'd put on a discount or we'd have a promotion that we would run or we would do a launch. And typically the biggest sale days of the launch happen sometimes the first day, but typically people wait until the last minute on the last day. And so what this does is it brings the buying frenzy in on the first day instead of having everybody wait till the last day. On day 2, the discount is still available, but it goes down a little bit. It goes down to about 40%. So if you're giving a 50% discount on day 1, that discount on day 2 might go down a little to 40%. So instead of a $197 product, it would be a $127 product. Now, what this does is the people on day 1 know that they missed the day 1 discount, but they want to get off the fence to still get a really high discount, the highest it's ever going to be in this 3-day window. And they don't want to wait to the next day and lose out on that. So it keeps the buyers coming in even on day 2. Now, on day 3, you release the last discount. Now, this is the lowest of the 3 discounts, but it's still a really good discount that people want to get in. So maybe if you're selling a $197 product, the product is now $147. This is their last chance, and urgency is really at its peak. And all the people that have been watching for the last couple of days, they realize this is their last shot, and they hopefully get off of the fence if they were peeking in and wanting that offer because they don't want to miss out. The 3-day structure maximizes your opportunities and revenue with these people that are peeking in on the campaign. And you're giving people 3 amazing chances to get 3 amazing discounts based on their buying habits. You're also conditioning your audience to know how your coupon campaigns work every month. And if somebody wants the best deal, they're going to get in on day 1 when you announce, and they're going to be listening, and they're going to be paying attention to your social posts and your emails with a little bit more of a stronger ear. Now, I want to make note that the coupon campaign strategy here works for you if you have 50 followers on your social media or 50 email subscribers, or even if you have 5 million followers. It does not matter. This coupon code strategy works like wonders. So let's talk about the nuts and bolts of how to put this strategy into place to get the maximum bang for dollar, okay? So day number 1 is going to be day number 1 of your 3-day coupon campaign strategy. But what do you do before day number 1 even hits? We call this the lead up, and the lead up is extremely important. About 2 days before your coupon goes live for day 1, you want to start teasing that something is coming. Here's what this looks like. Email your list. And what you want to do is you want to email your list and say something like, hey guys, I am dropping a super amazing coupon code and we're doing a 3-day promotion. Here's the day that it starts. This is going to be the discount on day 1, then the discount on day 2, and then the discount on day 3. For those of you guys that get in on day 1, you're going to get the biggest discount. Here's the product, and then insert whatever your offer, your service, or your product is. Here's specifically how it's going to help you, and make sure to mark your calendar. Then you want to take that same email that you emailed your list and post that on social media, essentially saying the same thing. Make sure people know the date, make sure that they mark their calendar, make sure that they understand the savings that are coming, and make sure, most importantly, they understand how your product or service is going to benefit them. The goal here is to get people excited and paying attention to what it is that you have coming next. And when day 1 hits and the coupon campaign strategy goes live, you are primed and ready with your audience. Okay, so now let's talk about execution. Let's talk about email and social media execution when the coupon campaign day 1 hits and goes live. So you've built anticipation a few days before. Now it's time to execute. Now I'm going to give you the exact sequence that I use and the timing of it all. The best part is, I want you to remember this, once you write these emails, once you create these social media posts, you can just rinse and repeat and use them over and over and over again. So you do the work once and you get paid from that work over and over and over again. It's like my favorite kind of work, right? So you're going to need about 5 to 6 short emails. And in my emails, this is what I do. So email number 1, I send this 2 days before. So this is the anticipation, the teaser email. Something big is coming. On email number 2, this is 1 day before the coupon code goes live. Again, it's another teaser email. Something big is coming. I'm basically reiterating the same thing. Here's what's coming. Here's what it's going to look like. Price. Here's how it's going to benefit you. Make sure to get the biggest discount and set your calendar to this date and time, right? So we're building that anticipation. Email number 3 is going to be day 1, the morning of the coupon code going live, the biggest discounted coupon code that you have. So basically this email is called the launch. And we basically say the coupon is live. Here's your big discount with all of the benefits in that email. Email number 4, this goes out on day 2 in the morning as well. This is the reminder email, we call it. And this basically just states that the discount just dropped. Don't miss out. Then we have email number 5. That goes out on day 3 in the morning. So this is the last day that that coupon code is active. This is the urgency email. And we basically say last chance, coupon expires tonight, and let them know the details of that. Email number 6 is going to be launched on day 3 in the evening, depending on when you cut off your coupon code. So really it's going to be dependent. So are you taking your coupon code to midnight? Is it 9 p.m.? What time zone is it? That's going to really be all dependent, up to you. Typically, we leave hours going until midnight East Coast time because I'm on the East Coast, the last day of the launch, but you can really do whatever it is that you want. But I like to have the last email go out about 4 to 6 hours before the coupon expires, because people check their email at all different times. So we want to give people enough time to check their email and actually see that the offer is still going and they don't miss out. And so that is called the final push email. And that basically just says, this is it. Doors are closing in X hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever the case is. And then what we do is we actually do the exact same thing, but in social media formatting. So if you're most active on Instagram, you're going to be creating posts, carousel posts, reels, all around the same messaging. I don't like to work harder. I like to work smarter. So all of the same things that we say in the email, we can use that in the form of a social media post. So we just create a creative around it, whether I'm doing a reel, whether I'm doing a story, whether I'm doing a carousel post, an image post, a video, whatever the format is, we basically turn that same email message into the social media post. And we actually post it on the exact same time that pretty much the email goes out, so everything syncs together. That's just working smarter, not harder. And then once those assets are created, we reuse them. Now, here's a pro tip if you want to reuse your assets. I don't say the date anymore in my social media video. So if I'm doing a video or if I'm doing an image post, I want to be able to reuse that video. I want to reuse that image post. So we actually don't say the date, but we will say 1 day left or 2 days left or 3 days left. That way we can reuse the evergreen content. We learned the hard way by saying the dates in some of them where we're like, man, I should not have said the date. So pro tip, you can learn from my mistakes. Okay, so now this is where things become really powerful. Once you create your email sequence and your social media posts, you can automate this entire thing. Inside of Digital Creator Studio, which is the online marketing system that fuels my entire business, I use it for absolutely everything. You can actually create your coupon codes, schedule your emails, and even automate your social media posts. So every month you just activate your campaign and it runs on autopilot behind the scenes while you focus on other things. You're not manually having to send emails. You're not manually having to stress about doing social media posts. The system does it for you. And this is exactly how to run an online business and sell stuff without burning out. And the platform literally tracks everything for you, which is an important part of the business. It shows you how many people are opening your emails, how many people are clicking on your emails, how many people are using the coupon codes. You can see exactly what's working and what's not working and optimize this over time. Every time you do this, every month you do this, or whatever your frequency is, you are getting better and better and better. And typically when you get better, you make more money. Now, I can't tell you, I wish I could download everything in my business, in my world, so that you believed it, but you won't believe how amazing this can be for your business unless you just test it and put it into action. So I highly, highly encourage that you do. Because when you see a flood of sales come in over 3 days, your business gets so exciting. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, Tanya, this sounds amazing. I don't know how to create coupon codes. I don't know how to automate my emails. I've got you covered. So like I said, inside of Digital Creator Studio, and obviously you can use whatever marketing system that you use or you want to use, but inside of Digital Creator Studio, I've built everything that you need and more to make this strategy super simple. You get the email templates, you get the social media post templates, you get the coupon code system, you get all the automation, and it's all in one place. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link for you wherever you're tuning in the description area, or you can go to digitalcreatorstudio.com. There's a place on that page where you can request a demonstration of Digital Creator Studio. I demo all of the cool features and functions that it can do for your business. And this is a really cool video walkthrough that shows you how everything works. All right, my friend, if you found this helpful, please leave me a comment and let me know what your digital offer or service is that you're going to be launching using this coupon code campaign strategy. I read every single one of my comments and I'd love to see what you're working on. Also, make sure that you're subscribed if you're an entrepreneur that wants to turn your content into sales, not just views and likes and followers. That's all we talk about here on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss an episode. And if you want to watch one of my latest, most popular videos on the 10 most profitable digital products that you can create today that are positioned to make you $100,000 or more, I did the research so you don't have to, and I'll link to that episode here, or I'll leave it in the description area of where you're tuning in. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.